Hey, they Reggie back again, man. I'm gonna show you something real quick. Hey, man, no hurting out. Something bit me in this shit, man. I don't care, man. I'm finna show y'all the illegal stuff. Hey, this right here is a case summary of my case right here from the Fulton Superior Court. And one of the things I want to show you real quick and point out is in this case summary, it's showing out a history of everything filed in the case. All right, and just briefly, you see all the stuff that was filed in the case. All right, so what I want to do is jump right here to this filing right here, where the Fulton Superior Court claim that they got a transcript of me pleading guilty, that me, defendant Johnson, and my co-defendant right here pleading guilty, defendant Mo. Right here, they saying they got us pleading guilty right here on August the 9th, 2012. Y'all see that? And they go to filing. Y'all make sure y'all lock that case number in too. You go to case number. All right, so now I want to show you something in this same case. In this same case. See this same case number right here. This say amended motion for new trial. And this right here give us the time that I was scheduled last year on December 18th, 2024. Motion for new trial hearing that never took place. Here it is, September the 4th, 2025, and I still haven't been to court yet. 13 years and counting on the appeal, but we'll overlook that egregious delay and violation of due process just to point out the fact that I want to show y'all. Okay, so now remember that first document, that case summary said that they had a transcript of plea guilty file for both of us, me and my co-defendant in this case. Okay, so now if that's true and we pled guilty, how do we get a motion for a new trial in the same case? Answer that. How do we get a new trial in the same case that you allege we took a guilty plea in? Make that make sense? Now, this is the stuff that Fulton County doing. The Fulton County court in Georgia, the same ones that tried to indict Donald Trump and prosecute Donald Trump. They did indict him, but tried to prosecute him. It's the same ones that doing this foolishness right here in this case right here. Folk need to be exposed. This stuff need to be said something about, man. Because I ain't the only one they doing it to. You're a fool if you think that. Now, the reason why Fulton County doing all this hiding records, lying saying we didn't go to trial and took a guilty plea when actually we did go to trial and lost in a jury trial, they trying to hide what took place in trial. They trying to hide the fact that they violated due process, that they railroaded us through a trial, and that they convicted us by manipulating and inflaming bullcrap into a jury mind. If you just put one of the burdens of the state in prosecution is to prove a case beyond reasonable doubt. You got to prove that all of these elements of whatever crime you charge the defendant with are proven beyond reasonable doubt. Okay, and that requirement is not satisfied when you make a lot of inference. You make a lot of mere conjecture, just guessing, a bunch of estimation and guesswork on a bunch of inferences without substantial proof. All you do is manipulate a jury into convicting somebody wrongfully. And that's what you see going on in Georgia more so than anything. No due process unless you an ex-lawyer, a government official, you know, a celebrity, or somebody with some type of noble status or some type of Masonic ties or some shit like that. That's the only way you getting any type of due process in Georgia. Or unless you're gonna pay $100,000 for an attorney.